All right, welcome back, Ace Flyers. So we are looking at almost the final experiment, or the final experiment in our science unit, and then we're looking at your complementing activity. So again, you've examined balance, drag, thrust, and Bernoulli's principle. You did some examples of also modifying thrust, the balloon, the sprockets, and looking at different things. So this one's going to be a challenge in which you're going to have to perform a number of experiments with different planes to see if you can get planes to perform different actions. And again, using the concept of drag and thrust and lift. So what you'll find is I'm going to be dividing you into groups of threes, and you'll be performing these experiments in Miss Nazzaconi's class. And I'll be setting up a schedule where you'll have a block of time to perform the different experiments and then, of course, report back on them. So these diagrams are the type of experiments you're going to have to perform in Miss Nazzaconi's class. So you'll find in Miss Nazzaconi's class Station 1, which will be a desk and a certain distance. You'll have to have a plane land on it. You have to have a plane do a loop-to-loop, and then a little bit of a plane underneath a given height. Okay? So those are the three stunts you'll perform. I'm also going to give you a package of different types of planes that have instructions on how to build the plane. So there's the Canard, the Eagle 5, and then there's the Lightning, and the last one is a traditional plane with some modifications. So you're going to have to build each plane, then decide which plane flies best to perform the certain parts of tricks. If things don't work out, that's okay. It's understanding the process and why things worked or didn't work. Now, one of the planes you're going to need cardstock, so I'm going to give you a nice sheet of cardstock. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. I'd like you all to have your planes built for Wednesday. So all three models of planes are built by Wednesday. So you'll have Monday night, Tuesday, you build all your planes. On Wednesday will be your test cycle. So we'll have 3 days of testing. Some of you will test on Wednesday, some of you test on Thursday, some of you test on Friday. It'll be in the morning. I'll give you a chunk of time. Oh, here's Murphy. There goes Murphy. And just reiterating what Ms. Free said, you'll go in. You'll have probably 45 minutes, maybe even less, half an hour to do your testing. So your planes need to be built. You go in, do your testing, observations, and then I'll provide you, we're just looking at kind of one question, or two question answer, and the questions we do on the Monday. Again, so just to reiterate for this last unit, you're going to be performing 3 stunts, and I'll give you the sheet, and you'll see it set up in stations. You'll be working groups of threes. I'll give you the groups of threes. You'll be given a specific time period to do your testing, and then you can do your observations and answer your questions. You'll be given a package to build your planes, cardstock for a specific plane, only one piece of cardstock, and all your planes will have to be built for Wednesday. So you'll have all Tuesday to build them, Tuesday night, Monday night, Wednesday they are built. And then you have them on your desk, ready to go, and then I'll give you your time slots. All right, happy flying.